Hello, my name is Sharon Kalaman, and this is my one proportion z-test and interval mini project. For this project, I decided to choose the first topic under the one proportion test, and I decided to choose Filipino as my ethnic group of choice. So how I collected my data was I went to 30 various MHS students, so seniors, juniors, and even sophomores, and I found that there were 18 out of 30 Filipinos that I've sampled. As you can see here, the hypothesized proportion, or the population proportion provided by the census, is 35.3%, or 0.353. The sample proportion is 60%, or 0.6, and we know that because we divided 18 with 30. Our sample size is 30, and the z-statistic that we found is 2.83, and we calculated that by using the formula. Although the 2010 census says that there are 35.3% of Filipinos in the CNMI, I do not think that is the case anymore, considering the fact that 2010 was so long ago. The sample proportion does not equal to the hypothesized proportion. At a 95% confidence level, is it enough to reject the null hypothesis? And here's the graph I made. The area not shaded in is 0.95, while the shaded areas represent 0.025. So how I found the z-value for each side was through adding these values together, which gives us a 0.975. According to the z-score table I use, 0.975 equals to 1.96, which is our z-score. This means that the left side that is shaded blue is negative 1.96, whilst the other is just 1.96. Using our now known test statistic, we can use technology to find out what our p-value is. And using my calculator, I found that the p-value is 0.005, which is rounded to the nearest thousand. Given that the typical significance level used is 0.05, we can conclude that the results are statistically significant, as 0.005 is much lower compared to 0.05. At a 95% confidence level, we have sufficient evidence to reject the null hypothesis that the sample proportion is equal to the hypothesized proportion. Based on the results of the one proportion z-test, we are 95% confident that the sample proportion of Filipinos is significantly different from the proportion reported by the 2010 CNMI census. The test suggests that the number of Filipinos in the CNMI has increased compared to the statistic provided by the census. Thank you so much for watching my screencast for my mini project, and I hope you have a good day or night. Bye!